commercial jets, playing the world's most expensive game of chicken at 30,000 feet. Whoosh, whoosh, mere seconds apart. Talk about an unscheduled heart attack for everyone involved. The pilots, who clearly skipped the personal space chapter in flight school, demonstrated why near miss is aviation's most terrifying oxymoron: precision, training, and the kind of luck that makes lottery winners jealous. This is what separates a normal Tuesday from being featured in next week's documentary special. When planes almost high-five, sky disasters narrowly averted. Remember folks, in aviation, social distancing isn't just recommended, it's absolutely critical.